Hello! In this quick video tutorial, I'll show you how to create a quotation in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and on the left-hand menu, click Sales. And once you click it, click Quotes. And now, this is the section where you manage all the quotation, and to make a new one, you have to click this Create New Quote. And now once you're here, you can select your customer from the drop-down, or you can create a new customer if you'd like. And once you're done, you gotta fill in the quote number, the quote data, and the expiry date. And this tells the customer how long the prices are valid. And now you gotta scroll down to the item table. And after you scroll down, you gotta add the products or services, just the items, enter quantity, rate, and apply taxes or discounts if needed. You can also add terms and notes at the bottom if necessary. And once everything looks good, you can just save and send to the email the quote directly to the customer. And that's how you create a professional quote in Zoho Books. Like and subscribe if this was helpful.